Today is December 1st, and December 1st means we're gonna try Vlogmas. I'm gonna try and do a mix of things that are happening every single day, but also things that I filmed in the past that I have not gotten around to uploading. So we're gonna try it out. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it every single day, but we're gonna try. I'm really trying to incorporate a lot more balance into my life, and some of that is a creative outlet. So here we go. Okay, we're going to yoga. Honestly, it feels like it's gonna snow. I mean, I know it's not wet enough, but it sure has been cold lately. At nighttime anyways. Whew, I'm so sleepy. I slept at like 10:30 last night. I don't know why I'm so sleepy. But yeah, we gotta go. We gotta go get our spot, and we gotta go change. So I'll see you after. Okay, it's cold and I'm hungry and I'm very cold. Definitely got a shower. My plan was to wake up earlier and have soup for breakfast, but that just didn't happen. So, well, it did, but I went back to sleep. My energy level is just like totally unpredictable sometimes. So this is my skincare stuff that I would normally do on a daily basis. I usually start with the Riedel shot. This stuff is just great for taking away redness and takes away dead skin cells. It makes my skin so smooth. Then I go in with these two. This is niacinamide. I don't know how to pronounce it. And then this is azelaic acid. These are essentially just to like help reduce redness and pore size, and to clean out my pores. So as you can see, it's very runny. And then I go in with the niacinamide. I don't put that much. And then I'll do eye cream. I just know, I don't really think this does anything except for hydrate really, but sometimes my under eye circles are just really bad and I don't have time for the eye patches because the eye patches tend to fall down. So, and then I'll put hyaluronic acid on next. I really want that dewy complexion and I want my skin to look hydrated. In the summertime, this used to be my final step, but now that it's winter and my skin is actually getting a lot more dry, I like to use this Trader Joe's Manuka Honey Day Cream. It's nice and creamy and light, and it smells really good. So that's my skincare. I also use Differin for the acne. So I have some pretty bad acne on my neck right now. It's really bothersome, but I'm gonna put some on now because I just worked out and I feel like I should. Painful too, like the acne on my neck is like terrible. I do think it's like, I do think it's more hormonal acne than anything else. Okay, let's go eat because I'm so hungry. Okay, so I have a few hours before I'm planning on going to go lift. So I have some room for some hot soup. Hot. So originally the soup was just a bunch of turkey bones that were left over from Thanksgiving and some zucchini and leftover carrots that I had from when I made my carrot casserole and a jalapeno. Just lots of like leftover stuff that I thought would taste good in a soup. Some celery. It's really good. I really started things off trying to prioritize my health this past month because I realized we only have a couple months left of 2025, and you know, there were a lot of things that I wanted to do in 2025 that I just didn't get around to doing. So this year I'm really making a conscientious effort to or the remainder of the year, to really try to lock in some of those healthy routines and healthy habits just so that I can feel a little bit more prepared for 2026. Yoga has actually in a really weird way paralleled that. Like, I think in the beginning when I first started yoga, I was constantly worried about other people and what they were doing and like how they were doing what they were doing, or if they were doing something that they shouldn't be doing, or how they did stuff that I didn't agree with or I didn't like. And even though those thoughts still come to my mind, at the end of the day, it's still my time and my practice. And if I'm giving all of that time to worry about other people and what they're doing on their mats, then I'm not really focusing on myself. And so the yoga has been a great parallel practice in that I just need to not worry about what other people are doing. It's their lives, it's their choices, it's their actions, it's their decisions that they make, and I don't have to worry about it. Obviously, like with friendships, it's harder because like you want the best for them and you want them to like grow and succeed and you want to see them win, but also like I have no control over whether that happens or not, and I have to stay focused on my mat. I have to be in my place and I have to like be strong where I'm at before I can help anybody else if they want the help. So I'm doing things that feel good to the soul. I'm spending more time with my family. I'm reaching out to people I haven't seen in a long time and initiating. I'm prioritizing my health. I'm spending time with people who I feel good around. I'm eating good food. I'm moving my body, I'm journaling, I'm working, I'm sleeping. Like, I'm doing a lot of good stuff. Anyway, it's a long video. After a few minutes of just mindlessly scrolling, I decided it's time to get to work. I do need to do some journaling because I haven't done that yet. And I need to do some goal setting for the month of December. And we only have 29 days, 30 days left of December, and I want to make sure I'm setting myself up for success and not disappointment. Yeah. Okay, I guess it's time to go lift. Okay. 3, 2, 1, up. Ugh. finally done. We got it done today. Whew. I'm done with my movements. I closed all my rings pretty much, and now I get to eat my lunch, and it's 2:30, so it's kind of late, but look at my Christmas tree. This week is gochugaru chicken and green beans and a little bit of rice. Oh, I brought my water at the gym and I was so thirsty. Oh my gosh. I think that's all I have for Vlogmas day 1. I wish I had something more interesting for you guys. But that's my day 1 vlog. I'll see you tomorrow.